Martha Perouse is hearing impaired. She's 71 years old and retired. Hearing aids are an essential part of her day-to-day life.
Absolutely. Even now, when I'm not necessarily working every day, they come on as soon as I come downstairs, take them off when I'm going to bed.
When Perouse was still working, the province covered the cost of 2 hearing aids, one for each ear. But when she retired, that changed. All of a sudden, the province would only pay for 1 hearing aid for 1 ear.
When I realized I was not going to get 2 hearing aids, I felt like it was a slap in the face. I had done good work all my life, and I was continuing to do good work as a volunteer. And no, you don't qualify for 2, you just need 1. But I was used to 2. There was no way I was going to do 1. There was no way.
Perouse reluctantly paid out of her own pocket. Now, why did she have to do that? Here's how it works in Quebec. The Health Insurance Board, the RAMQ, will cover 2 hearing aids, 1 for each ear, for children, adults who require hearing aids for studies or for work, and people who also have a visual impairment. But only 1 hearing aid is covered for people over 19 who aren't working or studying. And that's mostly seniors.
They're left behind. They fall through the cracks. We have to look at our population right now. It's aging. And hearing loss is huge. It's not going anywhere either.
Now, hearing aids aren't cheap. Prices vary, but the most basic type costs about $1,000 for each ear. Some groups say it's time for a change.
Having 2 ears is not a luxury, it's just a basic need in terms of hearing correction.
He's asking the province to expand coverage so seniors get the same treatment as everyone else.
And I think that people our age should still be considered valuable members of society.
The minister responsible for seniors, Sonia Bélanger, didn't respond to CBC's request for comment. But in a statement to Radio-Canada, a spokesperson for Bélanger says the province is considering modernizing the program, but not ready to discuss details. Quebec, even with its single ear-only coverage for seniors, is actually more generous than most of the rest of Canada. In most other provinces, only low-income seniors are covered, and coverage is capped at an amount that's less than the cost of a single hearing aid covered in Quebec.